Let's practice this phrase together with some common examples.
To take something or someone for granted is to assume it will always be there and not truly value it, or to believe something is true without questioning it.
I took her for granted.
I took her for granted.
We take good friends for granted.
We take good friends for granted.
I didn't realize I was taking you for granted.
I didn't realize I was taking you for granted.
People take things for granted until they're gone.
People take things for granted until they're gone.
We all take time for granted.
We all take time for granted.
You did amazing today. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you'll sound. See you next time.